Turn on or off public service notifications on your Imo app. How to turn on or off public service notifications on your Imo app, easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video it's so easy and quick. I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications. So first thing, go to your Imo and now click on your profile icon, and here click on settings, and you're gonna find notifications, which is the first option. Click there. Now you have public service. Turn on or off this option, whatever you are comfortable with. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.